So we're going to go ahead and get the car off the ground and show you how these go-karts can completely move a car in any direction you need it to. So let's get started. Okay. It's solid. Just for my own sanity, I'm going to do this. That. Okay. All right, so I got all these up off the ground now, and in theory, I'll do this just a little. Take a little bit of effort, but the car should move pretty quickly. Waiting for the truck to get here, but once it does, we'll back this right out. Have our go-karts sitting on the actual stand. This thing moves really easy. Push it back here. Safekeeping. And there you have it. Set of 4 go-karts. The stand. Great little gift for anybody. Thanks for watching.